Yeah, hello, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today will be the part two of the we're trying to bring this account back to break even. And no matter the result, I'm going to post video and make sure I post it today, Saturday. You understand? So let's go through the trade. So this is the first trade I entered. This was on the AUD USD. This is the day I've not taken any trade then. This is trade, it was in profit. Then I decided to close the first buy limit I placed there. The trade was going on well. Trade was going on well. And now instead what I should have done now was just to secure the trade if I was trading on a normal day, but I was trying to take this account to break even aggressively and trading with price structure. So I could not put all this trade on break even. So my max loss on this trade was about $2,000. And the deal breaker for me was if it breaks the high point at 0.68710 there. That was the maximum stop loss for me. My mental hard stop loss. So the thing flipped. You can see it flipped. I was losing a lot of money here. Then everything at the end of the day, everything is still all about trade management. You can see I was not even worried about me losing the money, but because I know that I wanted to lose like 2000 was the max loss, and as far as I haven't lost that 2000 yet, I still have the chance to trade more and get the money back. You can see, so I was trying to trade the whole stuff and try to manage my emotions as I can. But one of my position end up get taken out in stop loss. I lost about $500 there because each of those trades was $500. Understand? So what I ended up doing was I took a decision that okay, since that trade in particular is now I've taken one stop loss, what I should do is just close all the rest positions so that I could wait for market structure to move and change within that area to find a support within that area so I can enter a much larger lot size. So, and on the other end, I was still looking at a AUD chef. You understand because it has reached mm, the the lowest button. I was marking. You can see I'm marking AUD chef here. Now the mistake I made here was later on in the video. The mistake I made there was instead of me to place a buy, I went ahead and placed a sell. You can see I was under massive pressure here. I was under a massive pressure. He told me to place a buy. I went ahead and placed a sell. You can see I was trying to set, after placing the trade, you can see I was trying to set a stop loss on this trade. You can see I was trying to set stop loss. And the thing was not going through. You can see the thing was not going through. And it didn't even occur to me that I've made a very terrible mistake. You understand? I was under a serious stop loss, serious pressure there. So this is how I missed out on over 100 pip trade. You understand? If I had gotten this trade right, I would not be. This video would have not been as long as this. At the end of the day, if I still make it to break even, that still remains to be seen. So as soon as I found out that okay, that I've really messed up on this trade, I just decided to just cut my losses short. You can see I just had to cut my loss because I don't close trade on the impulse. You understand? So I just say, okay, if it gets there, $250, I know that I will lose that particular trade. You understand? So back to the main trading focus, the AUD USD. You understand? So that's it right. And you can see that AUD USD now will be shown, and the first trade they got taken out at a stop loss $500. Then I decided to just close the rest trade and regroup regroup at this particular point. Just close the rest trade and regroup so that at least I can see what's going on. You can see this USD chef was moving perfectly in my direction. Out of pressure, I was forced to close that. Trade. It was very painful, but what can we do? It has happened. It has happened. You understand? So this is me trying to reorganize, planning for the other phase of re-entry before my first position got taken out. You can see we've lost our first position, and you can see the AUD share has engulfed the previous bearish candle. We've lost one trade. We've lost both trade at this particular point now. We can see. Now at this particular point, I just I just decided to keep it cool and re-strategize. And re-strategizing meaning cutting my losses short. You understand? Cutting my losses short. I just decided to close. I just decided to close the rest position so that at least I'll know what's happening and what I'm doing. You understand? So this is where I decided to close all those trades that I was previously in, and I left only the one lot size. And I waited for a bearish sign that the trade is coming down. You can see the former 15 minutes candle, it didn't close with full body, it just closed with a little weak candle. So that gives me the signal that I needed, that okay, this thing is going down. So I thought for enter with the three lot size. And mind you, my maximum stop was about $2,000. You understand? So I was waiting for the trade to see if it will reject. You can see the other candle now is starting to reject. Then I placed another five lots to compensate for the previous trade that I've closed before. Just this is all about risk management and trade management. You can see why I placed the stop loss at of the five piece. Close by it was close by to the candle wick there. At the end of the day, our one lot size got taken out. Our one lot size got taken out, but what can we do? That one got taken out at break even, but the other trades there was still remaining. You can see the USD share. This trade was very painful. USD chef was just moving. I could not even complain. I could not complain. But at this point now, I was seeing some good recovery back. I've just taken like a loss of a $1,500 total. You understand? At this point, I was at break even. I've recovered my money back. And I still wanted to just keep holding so I know where the trade is going to. You understand? So I still held these two trades. At the end of the day, I still held these two trades. Mind you, this is a FTMO account, and I'm not really sure if FTMO account has that 5% equity drawdown, and I don't want to be stuck at equity drawdown. So what I did after the this trade got into a very much larger position, about almost almost 5%. What I did, I just closed some profit so that in case I entered in the next day, I would not be have I will not have a margin call on equity. You understand? So this is the point whereby I started closing partials, so as not to get blocked out. You understand? So I don't lose this account on the equity stop loss. You understand? If you trade, you understand, you know what I mean. That's why I closed this particular trade. Then I also set some trades again for the next day. I also set some sell limit on AUD USD. At this point in time, you can see the sell limit I set. Then I just went to bed. It was really late. Set the sell limit, and I just went to bed. So let's see. The next morning, the sell limit got activated, and I was still using a very good stop loss too. You understand? This trade really helped me manage my my balance. This is the next morning. You can see around 4 a.m. in the morning. I got up very early to check on the trade. You can see the five lot size. Everything has activated, and we are still looking at the trade. Since my five lot size got activated, there was actually no need me holding the other buy limit that I was holding on a USD share. So I just decided to close off that trade as well, so that I just hold on to this five lot size. And you can see the five lot size I placed on the break even. We got stopped out after, and I was almost at break even. Remember, the goal of this whole trade was to bring this account to break even, and I would be down almost how many percent twice. You understand? So I didn't just take it too much. I just wait for 15 minutes time frame as well. after this whole stuff. Waited for a change structure on the 15 minute time frame as well. You can see there. So I decided to add more lot size. You understand? So I added more, everything at break even, and I was trading this trade with big lot size and at the same time with risk management so that I don't lose too much. You understand? So voila, we did it. We brought this account back to break even. I was so happy. If I held the trade, AUD USD fell down massively, but that's none of my business. That's left for AUD USD. My business is I had a target, I reached my target, and make sure that I close the trade at $5,000 in balance. You understand? So I left the remaining 0.35 to just keep on running. Understand? I left that position. That will serve as a reference point for me when I want to start trading next week, so that at least I can know how to scale in to this trade. You understand? So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share to this channel. Thank you very much.